Drawing and Coloring Book, Class 4. On page number 8, one picture is given. With the help of this picture, we are going to solve page number 9 on this worksheet. As you can see, there is a picture of peacock and some scenery of background. We are going to draw with the pencil. If you want to make changes in drawing, you can change it. Here I simply try to draw the peacock shape. Here no need to use a pencil more hard, just lightly line we have to do because we are going to use yellow color on it. Here we have to use a technique like a wax crayons and watercolor. Those parts we draw with the help of pencil. Now we are going to draw the lines on it, same line on it with the help of yellow color. Wax crayon. Here I am using a Dome's wax crayon. You can use any one. Now draw the inside part. I am going to do. If you want to make changes in background, you can change it. Here I also make some changes. Afterwards we are able to visible that. If you don't have crayons, you can use oil pastels. So, but with the help of oil pastel, this look good. But if you want to make exactly effect of it, that picture, that time you have to use wax crayons only. It is an oily. We are going to make a perfect line with the help of wax crayons. Now at the downside I make some flower, leaf and grass part. Now take any one poster color. Here I am taking a Persian blue color and flat brush. With the help of this, we are going to give the wash there. See that when you using that techniques, make sure the color percentage and water percentage should be proper. It's not too dark and too light also. It is in middle. Okay, if you overlap again and again, then we are not able to visible that lines. Okay, take a percentage of water properly and do like this. It look like a magical because we already drawn with the help of wax crayons that lines. The color will not going on that. That's why we are visible that part. As you can see, downside if you give more color, there the line will hide. Okay, that's why we require the perfect percentage of water and color. Here I am using a flat brush. Try to use flat brush only because we are going to use the wash. That's why if you use more percentage of color, that time you can remove like this with the help of water and cotton and try to visible that lines because we draw with the help of wax crayon. If any light part is there, you can repeat colors